Welcome to 5 Jasmine Creek, located in the incredible Jasmine Creek complex right here in breathtaking Corona Del Mar. Let's have a look. Now, one of the things that I really love about this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath model, it's about 2,400 square feet, but light and bright is what it's all about. Stepping into the entryway, you'll find really high ceilings to let that light and bright in. Also, when I enter the living room, once again, amazing vaulted ceilings that really make it light and bright, yet still comfy cozy. Of course, there's a separate seating area. There's also a wonderful area to get cozy around the fireplace. And of course, there's a dining area as well. And how about doing some whale watching? This home has incredible ocean views for not only whale watching, but also capturing the beauty of Catalina Island. Now, speaking of opportunity, if opportunity and location are high on your list, there is no better property than 5 Jasmine Creek. Located just 1 mile to the ocean and a half a mile to all the cool shops in Corona Del Mar. From Banderas to Gulfstream to the boutiques to Fashion Island, this has it all. Now, another thing I really love about this home is the floor plan. Standing here in the kitchen, it also has incredible views all the way up to Catalina Island. Now, with a little bit of design, this can become your dream kitchen. Now that you're visualizing your dream kitchen, let's head down and check out the bedrooms. Now, I have to tell you, Grandma did have a great sense of style, but I'm sure you want to bring in your own personal design ideas. Now, one thing I do love about this room is its size. There's a lot of room for a king-size bed and all of your furniture. Now, another benefit to this master bedroom is the proximity to this beautiful patio outside, which overlooks a fabulous green belt. There's a lot of room in there to entertain or really just have fun at the end of the day. Now, what you'll also find is a really large walk-in closet. Now, it's not quite as big as what Kim Kardashian would want, but there's plenty of room for your clothes, your purses, and your bags. Now, stepping into the bath area, you'll also find 2 separate sinks. I really like that, in addition to the large walk-in shower. You'll also find 2 additional good-sized bedrooms, and one of the bedrooms has doors that leads out to the spectacular backyard patio. All this is waiting for is some of your own design ideas. Well, listen, my friends, very rarely does an opportunity come along with such an incredible location. Once again, just 1 mile to the beach, a half a mile to all the incredible shops that Corona Del Mar Village has to offer at a great price. I'm Jules Wilson. I would love to help you make this your dream home.